I feel we ganja, I feel we human resource, yes. Free up the cannabis sativa, sustain a human life. Legalize the cannabis sativa, no cut it down, just let it strive. It's not all about smoking, listen keenly and not joking. It was outlawed in the 28th century. Amazing past was totally forgotten. It's a source of spiritual enlightenment. It gives food and clothes and medicine, building material and fuel. It has the power to enhance our consciousness, our imagination. Free up the cannabis sativa, sustain a human life. Legalize the cannabis sativa, no cut it down, just let it strive. Free up the cannabis sativa, the healing of all mankind. Legalize the cannabis sativa, no burn it down, just let it strive. It's the real solution, immediate solution to the deforestation and the abuse of the petrochemical industry and the destruction of our topsoil, as well as helping to healthcare problems. Ooh, yeah. Free up the cannabis sativa, sustain a human life. Legalize the cannabis sativa, no cut it down, just let it strive. Free up the cannabis sativa, the healing of all mankind. Legalize the cannabis sativa, no burn it down, just let it strive. Many began to unravel a fast hidden history of aim. Many researchers and personal testament, yes. It can cure many sickness like AIDS and glaucoma. This herb is a gift for everyone, yes. And if we all involve, together the problems will solve. The world wants it to be free. Long time they might take it from we. Free up the cannabis sativa, sustain